Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in today's video we will be learning about some basic Docker commands and how to use them. So let's jump into the practical. So here we have EC2 Ubuntu instance and on which the Docker has been already installed. So first of all we will have the super user access, and for that we will use the command sudo su. Now once we gain the super user access, we can simply use the Docker commands. First of all, we will use the command docker version to check the latest client and server version which has been installed on this server. After that, we can use the command docker run, and we can use the image which we want to run here, which is hello world. So hello world is basically an image provided by Docker to test whether it has been installed properly or not. So here you can see the message hello from Docker, and it has been installed properly. Now after that we can also use some other images like busybox. So the busybox image is such an image which a developer can use for testing purposes. Like what we can use some commands inside this busybox container. So if we want, we can use the command like docker run busybox ping google.com. So what will happen is that when we will run this command, it will ping inside the container to google.com. So as you can see here in the busybox container, it is pinging google.com. So we'll get out of it, and if we want to check the status of all the containers launched till now, we can use the command docker ps all. So here you can see there has been two busybox and hello world images launched till now, and they have all exited at the given time. Now if we want to check the running containers, we can simply log in into the same server from different window. So here we have logged in into the same server from a different window, and we will use the same command docker run from google.com here. First of all, we need the super user access. Now as you can see here it is pinging. Now again, if we use the command docker ps all, it will show us that it is up and running from past 6 seconds, the busybox image. So we will kill this and again go back there and use ps all. So you can see it has been exited 3 seconds ago. Now if we want to start a particular container using the container id, we can use the command docker start, and -a can also be used to check the output happening in that image, the container. So we will paste the container id here. So it has again run the container image which is hello world. So if we want to stop this container, we will use the docker stop command and paste the container id, and it has stopped the container. So it provides us a 10-second shutdown period for the application to shut down at its own convenience. And if we want to immediately kill the container, we can use the command docker kill, and after that we can simply paste the container id which we want to kill. Now after that there is another command, docker system prune. This command is used to delete all the images and all the containers which have been used till right now. So if we use this command, it will also show us a warning message that this will remove all stopped container, all networks, and all the dangling images along with the dangling build cache. So if we continue with yes, it will delete the containers launched till now and which were stopped. So all these container IDs with the containers has been stopped. So if we use the command docker ps all, there are no containers here present. So friends, these are some basic commands which we can use in the beginning while learning the Docker environment, and further on we can also use some advanced commands. So that was all for today's video. Thank you.